So let's get going. Social media is a powerful business tool. Many businesses have perfected the art of encouraging engagement and using it as their primary source of new leads. To achieve this, there are a few rules that need to be adhered to. These rules apply to all posts, including your introduction. Don't sell. No, really, don't sell. Who likes being sold to? No one. Who opens their Facebook feed hoping to see an ad? No one. So why would you do it? It's an immediate turn-off and it makes people think you're desperate. The purpose of your introduction is to begin the relationship building process. Keep that front and centre at all times. A genuine headline. Now, not everyone's a wordsmith who can manufacture a catchy headline, so be concise and sincere instead. Try something like, just starting out and need some advice, or actively seeking inspiration, or wanted, opportunity to engage. These approaches are non-invasive and they go to people's natural desire to be helpful. Rework them for your own purposes or use them as is, but maintain a sincere theme and don't be afraid to be vulnerable or imperfect, because guess what? We all are. If you're up to it, be humorous. Humour is one of the most engaging of human characteristics. Short and sweet. Wonderful though you are, chances are you're not the focus of the reader when they're logged on. A short introductory post does not appear like it will consume too much of the reader's time, so it's more attractive and likely to be read. Just keep to the essence of what's important to you and don't use more than 100 words. Now, nothing cuts like video. Ladies, and I mean this politely, we need to get over the fact that our best days may be behind us, in a visual sense. Video is favoured by social media. That means you get greater cut through so your message is seen by more people. And that's the aim of the game. Remember, the topic here is exposure. So do what needs to be done to acquire it and reap the rewards. Your content needs to be specific. If you post, I'm looking to meet anyone who needs insurance, readers' heads will spin because everybody needs insurance of some description. But if you post, I specialise in providing business insurance for hairdressers. Oh, and by the way, I need a new do too. Who do you recommend for a blow wave and a curl? Well, you're bound to get several recommendations. Remember, it's social media, so it's not the place for a dissertation on your business. Work up to it slowly. At this point, you just want to begin your social media activity and get public recommendations so you can privately make an approach. That's all. Let people know whom you know. Your business may require you to deal with loads of mortgage brokers, for example. If so, let people know you have these contacts in your post. Other people who want to meet mortgage brokers will suddenly want to meet you. And there you go, coffee dates. Remember, business comes from coffee dates. If you know the right questions to ask, so never balk at the opportunity to have one. A head-turning image. If, for the previous need a hairdo example, you included a picture of a cute puppy having a bad hair day that had a humorous caption, the engagement rate on your post would skyrocket. It's been proven time and again on Facebook that images are appealing, so always include one. And strangely, pictures of animals and children behaving or looking like adults repetitively receive the greatest engagement. So use them. Visit unsplash.com for good quality free images. Emojis work. Facebook surveys show that people like emojis. They instantly convey feelings that are sometimes difficult to express in words and are more visually appealing than words, so use them where appropriate. Again, don't sell. Ever. You want to meet referral partners. These are the people who have the same target market as you. So build a business relationship with them and that will accelerate your business. And we'll discuss this more in a later session. So do not ask for customers. Ask for referrals to people who can connect you with a stream of customers. So what makes social media work? Well, in a word, activity. If social media is to be a serious business tool for you, and it is free, then be active on it regularly. Also, you need realistic expectations about the length of time required to build a following. Don't expect great results in a month or even 6. It can take longer, so be prepared to put in. Also, if you don't have many connections and want to jump start it, look for opportunities to build your audience. Join local groups or explore our marketing opportunities. We can help you share your message too. Share useful information and tools. Respond to all comments with a thank you and try and encourage more interactions with questions or thought-provoking comments. Remember, the name of the game is activity, yours and theirs. So if appropriate, message people privately to further the relationship. Checking in is effectively subliminal advertising. It keeps your name in people's minds so that when a contact needs what you provide, your name is top of their mind. Commenting on other people's posts. It's a great way to build favour with those around you. Putting a post together takes time, and it's a very normal human emotion to want a response to something that's taken effort. So comments are very much appreciated by those that post. Like posts, it's the simplest of all the interactions and it takes little or no effort. Your followers will see what you have liked, and this helps the person whose post you liked. And if you're getting lots of likes but few comments or shares, then you may like to improve the quality of your posts, as per the previous slide. Some people send requests for others to like their page. It's up to you if you respond. If I like the person, I usually like the page. Liking for me is like a common courtesy. It takes effort to make posts, and sometimes a like is acknowledgement of that effort. Sharing is a quick and efficient method of boosting somebody else's material, and they will be forever grateful to you. Sharing somebody else's material shows you think it'll be helpful or entertaining to your group. Once again, the original poster will love you for it and so is more likely to respond favourably to your posts. And if you come across someone whom you feel comfortable with, you may like to come up with a mutually beneficial agreement on sharing, liking or commenting. So if social media forms part of your long-term business strategy, you must absolutely remember that you are dealing with human beings. Too many believe that because they're not face-to-face with people that they're communicating with, that normal social standards do not apply. This is a grave error. Be sociable, affable, sincere and honest in all your online dealings. You're not in control of your comments once they've hit the ether. Anyone can take a screenshot and repost later, so make sure before you hit send, your mother would approve.